So all we're gonna need for this recipe is good crusty bread, heirloom tomatoes, feta cheese, olive oil, garlic, and fresh herbs. Start by slicing the bread on a diagonal and then brush each side with good quality extra virgin olive oil. Next, peel 1 clove of garlic and just cut it in half. Next, slice 1 or 2 ripe, juicy heirloom tomatoes and season them liberally with salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Then, cut a few thin slices of feta cheese and set all that aside. Now, I like to grill the bread to get a nice charred flavor, but toasting in the oven is totally fine too. While the bread is still nice and hot, rub it with the cut side of the garlic, and then layer the tomatoes over the top, slicing them in half to fit if need be. Then top each toast with 1 slice of feta and shower with fresh herbs over the top. I love oregano, basil, and chives, and then douse with plenty of extra virgin olive oil, and you, my friend, are on your way to tomato toast heaven.